How to clear Facebook history. If we were to clear our Facebook history, whether that may be Facebook Watch or search history, all we have to do in order for us to clear that is to tap on our main menu right here and scroll down to the very end until we see Settings and Privacy. We just have to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once we're on our settings, we just have to scroll down until we see Your Activity section where Activity Log is located. So we just have to tap on Activity Log and scroll down to the very end until we see Logged Information. So we just have to tap this arrow down button right here and scroll down again, and we'll be able to see our search history right here, a history of our searches on our Facebook. So if we tap on arrow down right here, we'll be able to see every searches that we have made. And we just have to tap on Manage Search right here. And in order for us to delete this search history, all we have to do is to manually tap on these three dots right here and hit on Delete right here. We can delete our FB Watch right here, and we'll be also delete our search history right here. So that's how to clear Facebook history. Hope we helped.